Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. Yes, 7th class children. United Public Children. What we were doing in the last class? Reflection of light. We have started the lesson. We'll start with the part 2 of it. Okay, all are ready? We'll start our class. Now what did we see about the incident ray and refractive ray? Today we'll see how the images in a plane mirror are the same as the object are located behind the mirror and are oriented in the same direction as the object, that is the upright position. The image distance always equals the object distance. The size of the image is the same as the object. The mirror does not magnify the image. Real images can be larger than the object, smaller than the object, or it may be as the same as the object. The object and the image are never the same size. Same size of the image is formed by the convex lens only when the object is placed at a distance u is equal to 2 by f. U is equal to 2f. What is f? Focal length. From the optical center, and the image is also formed at a distance 2f on the other side of the lens. A mirror image is how you perceive yourself, not how others perceive yourself. When you look at yourself in the mirror, you may have your hair parted on one side, and that's the side you are most familiar and comfortable with, but that's not how others will see it. When two mirrors are put inclined at an angle, they can collectively form a multiple image. This is so because the image developed in one mirror helps as an object from another mirror, causes the mirror isn't for the client until the end. Stylists and barbers will see, for example, use the mirrors to check their work as they go along, isn't it? If you face the clients towards the mirror, they start looking at an unfinished product. Turning them to the mirror at the end is a sort of big reveal. Actually, what happens, concave mirror of a larger focal length is used for shaving purpose. The setup focuses light and helps the barber to cut the hair better. Two plane mirrors being arranged parallel to each other. A concave mirror gives the dentist a magnified reflection of the mouth while as refracting a bit of light. This means the image in the mirror is larger, brighter, and for the dentist it's easier to see. Another plus of using a concave mirror is that the image in the mirror isn't inverted, it is real image. In a plane mirror, each point on the image is as far behind the mirror plane as the corresponding point on the object is in the front. Due to this lateral inversion, it is difficult to read the image of a text page formed due to reflection by a plane. Two plane mirrors are set at right angles. What are right angles, children? How many degrees? Math students know it, isn't it? And a flower is placed in between the mirrors. In order to give 5 distinct images of an object, two plane mirrors should be placed at an angle of a ray of angle is incident at 50 degrees on the middle of one half a pair of mirror arranged at 60 degrees. Got it? Like most in the gardens, what happens? Planter box beds primarily requires what all they need to make a garden in a small plant box. It requires good soil, sunshine and moisture to produce lush plants. What are the box options? A planter box can be simple construction with 8 by 12 inch wide boards nailed together, or you can use buy a pre-made plastic or wood box. Tools of the trade, soil solutions should be put in it. It should cover up and it must. What are the care tips we have to undertake? containers gardening with vegetables, clay pots are usually more attractive, isn't it, than the plastic ones. But plastic pots retain moisture better and won't dry out as fast as an unglazed terracotta ones. To get the best of both, slip a plastic pot into a slightly larger clay pot. Understood? Take large clay pot, put inside it a plastic pot. Make your own dreams a reality within these 10 easy follow tips. Most of them are very fond of flowers, garden. They can make it like this. Sight it right. Starting a garden is just like a real estate. It's all about the location. Follow the sun. The sun rays should fall on the plants. Stay close to the water. Start with great soil. Consider containers. Discover your zone. Learn your frost dates and some mulch. What are the 10 top easy ways to grow vegetables, fruits and salad seeds and plants for the beginners? What happens? Salad leaves, crunchy fresh leaves with a fantastic range of textures and flavors. Radishes, spice up your salads with crunchy peppery radishes which grow in this easy garden, box garden. Potatoes, peas, onion and garlics grow in it very well. Got it? Now we'll see the materials which we use to make homemade kaleidoscope. What is this kaleidoscope? See in the picture. If we were to in our regular classes, this would be a project work. My children did in last school. It is very easy to make it. Mylar sheet is required, thick sheets, not rolls of thin paper. Thick sheet is required, or mirrored sheets, scissors or paper cutter which is available at home. Tape, white cardstock, bendy straw, markers, stickers or other materials for decorating your spinning circle. Empty toilet roll sheet, you can take it, you can. No, a mirror, it's not. A mirror image is how you perceive yourself, not others perceive. When you look in the mirror, you may put your hair parted at one side, and that's the side you are familiar and comfortable with, isn't it? The mirror is a real you have, and nobody can see it through yourself, because a human eye cannot capture a face like a camera would, but it scans through each part of your face and sends multiple packages of information about each section of your face to the brain. The front side of the shining steel spoon. There's a small activity even with a steel spoon which we have in our homes, isn't it? Concave mirror. The inner surface of the spoon acts like concave mirror, while the outer side of the spoon acts like convex mirror. We know that the image of an object formed by the plane mirror cannot be obtained on a screen. Spherical mirror is the shape of it is a mirror that has a shape of piece cut of spherical surface. The two surfaces are concave and like a flat mirror, the curved surface of the spoon's bowl bounces incoming rays back towards the central focus point lying between your face and the center of the spoons. In passing through this point, rays from the upper part of your face are reflected downwards, while those from the lower part are reflected upwards. See the spoon, you'll understand. Concave inside the spoon, convex outer surface. When you look at the back of your spoon, you see an upright image of yourself, isn't it? This is because the reflective curved surface of the metal acts as diverging mirror. This image though does tend to be distorted because spoons seldom have the spherical or parabolic curvature required for an undistorted image. Let's conclude the lesson, finish the lesson with our homework for today, which you all will send me by 5 in the evening. How do we make kaleidoscope? Understood, children? What is emerging? What is diverging mirror? Okay, see you all in next class. Assalamu alaikum. Stay home, stay safe.